안녕하세요, 여러분. Hello, everyone. In this video, we're gonna learn about 10 basic vowels. Before we start, I want to go over a few things. The first thing, Korean vowel sounds as it's written, unlike English words. If you look at the first English word, that's mother. Even though we are using O, we do not say mother, right? We say mother. Likewise, the second word, even though we are using U, the sound is not U. We say sun, right? We spell U, but the sound is sun. So in English, the vowel does not sound as it's written. But in Korean, it always sounds as it's written. Number two, Korean vowels are monophthong. What it means is a short and simple vowel sound. It does not change while you are saying. The beginning sound and ending sound are same, unlike English words. If you look at the first English word, that's mat. That A sound, the beginning sound and ending sounds are not same. Mat. And if you look at the second English word, that's okay. That O sound, the beginning and ending sounds are different. Okay. Number three, in Korean language, you cannot spell only vowel letter. You always need at least one consonant and one vowel to make a word. So we use the silent ing in front of the vowel or above the vowel. Unlike English, we see A all the time, right? Only vowel letter. Let's start. The first vowel is ah. Ah. Your jaw dropped and your mouth wide open and say ah, just voice out. To help you memorize this letter and the sound, look at this. If you look at the letter, the little tiny dot-like line is in the right side of the long vertical line, right? In the right side, ah, right side, ah. I hope this helps. This one looks like ah, but there are two little lines, right? Whenever you see these two little lines, think of Y in front. So Y plus ah, that's ya, ya. Let's look at the next vowel. It looks like ah, but the little line is in front of the long line, right? In front. Did you notice? In front, ah, in front, ah, ah. This can be difficult because this is solid, clear vowel sound, but um, I think you can think about in front or fun or sun. So this can be very similar to those words in English. Yeah, you see, two lines. Y plus yeah, yeah. Next. If you look at the little, not so little anymore, but you get the concept, right? The little line is over the long line, over the long line. So it's O. But try to remember, English O is quite similar but different than Korean O. Korean O, it's simple, short, and clear. The sound does not change from the beginning till the end. O. O. Your lips uh, gets puckered and gets tensed more and very small, making very small circle when you make this sound. O versus O in English. O. Korean O. O. By the way, O is number 5 in Korean. Yo, yo, Y plus O. You got the pattern by now, right? Y plus O, yo. You hear this sound a lot because yo is the ending particle in Korean conversation to show politeness. This is honorific ending, so you hear this all the time. 안녕하세요, hello, 좋아요, that's good, 좋아해요, I like it, 요, 우, 우. Now the line is under the long line, under. In Spanish, U sounds U, right? So under, U, U. Can you guess what it sounds like? U, U. Y plus U, U, U. By the way, uyu is milk in Korean. Uyu, milk. U, u. This can be quite difficult for English speaker because there's not exactly this sound in English words. I'll try my best to explain. This shape looks like the lips shape when we make this sound. So with your lips extended to both sides with um, muscle tension and tongue relaxed and make it flat, and your teeth, upper and lower teeth, quite not closed but near closed, and without moving any part, try to make sound ooh. So like this, uh, uh, uh. If you practice this a lot, you can ease your tension in your muscle and still make the similar sound. Uh, 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 uh. This is our last vowel today. This is E, E. Almost over like 97%, same as English letter alphabet E, A, B, C, D, E, E. But this is a little bit less tension in your lips and mouth muscle. E, E. 이거, 이거 means this one. 이거, this thing. 이 사람, this person. 이. So E is very widely used. Also, E is number two. E is number two in Korean. Again, there's another word. E, that's tooth. Tooth. So that's all 10 vowels that we went over today. I hope this video helps you learn and remember them.